men have not been taking this seriously.
Akol wants to call you. Kilaknot Member of Parliament, Honorable Anthony Akol, has sparked debate after urging men to take great responsibility for family planning by considering vasectomy as a way of controlling Uganda's growing population. Speaking on the issue of responsible sexual behavior, Akol warned that people should understand the possible consequences of sex before engaging in it. Before you go for sex, you must know that the outcome is either a child or HIV, Akol said, stressing that sexual activity should never be taken lightly. He added that population control should not be left to women alone, arguing that men also have a role to play. According to the legislator, vasectomy is one of the family planning options that men can voluntarily choose after deciding they no longer want more children.
Men have not been taking this seriously, but research shows that vasectomy is healthy for men. I want to use this opportunity to call upon men in Uganda to also get involved in controlling population of Uganda. That can be in terms of vasectomy, that can be in terms of consent, that we have to make sure we have 2 children, and that is it. Some people say, how come 2 children? We have not reasoned it beyond. Can you imagine the whole of President of America, the former President Obama? He produced only 2 children. And also 2 girls, not even boys. At one point when I was talking to the community about birth control, some people who have problem of land wrangle, they were telling me, how can you have a few children, they will beat you and they throw you away from your land? I asked them, okay, you assume I'm the only son of my father. And you are 70 in the room here. You belong to only one man. If me and you we are competing or conflicting on a land, who will do better? They said, at your level we cannot manage. That means it is the quality of children that matters, but not the quantity. Because if you give birth to 30 children, there is no way you are going to make them quality. And therefore, at the end of the day, one person who is well nurtured, has a quality, will do better. Let us leave this issue of Africans. We used to give birth thinking that others will die, some will remain. Now we have improved the health sector in Uganda. There is no longer, a lot of this death from these diseases that used to kill children, the polio and the what, no longer there. So let's base on quality. And therefore, one person asked about consent in giving birth. Before you go for sex, you must know that outcome can be a child or HIV/AIDS. You should be ready for it. You can protect yourself. If you are doing it for fun, because this behavior of doing for fun is not for Africans. It is only the white. I remember
Akol's remarks have generated mixed reactions, especially in Uganda, where traditional beliefs often encourage large families. In many African communities, fathering many children is associated with wealth, strength, status, and the continuation of one's clan. As a result, permanent contraception for men remains uncommon and is sometimes viewed with suspicion. A vasectomy is a minor surgical procedure that prevents sperm from mixing with semen, making a man unable to father children. It does not affect sexual desire, the ability to have sex, or masculinity. Medical experts consider it one of the safest and most effective permanent methods of contraception for men who have complicated their families. Akol's comments are significant because discussions about male involvement in family planning are still relatively rare in Uganda. While the country has one of the youngest and fast-growing populations in the world, family planning conversations have traditionally focused on women. His call for men to share responsibility could reignite national discussions on reproductive health, cultural beliefs, and the balance between population growth and economic development. Personally, I can say, Akol, be exemplary.